Okay. Jordan, go for it. Just unmute yourself.
Yeah. Actually, about what you just said, you've mentioned so far the interview, the therapy, and the trance. But from what I've seen from past recordings of this, are those basically all just interwoven at the same time?
Everyone notice that? Everyone who's watched the training, we're doing 3 or 4 things at once. Why would we break up things like, okay, I've got 5 minutes to do the rapport. Okay, 5 minutes is gone, rapport has to be done. Then I'm going to do this part. Then I'm going to do this part. Then I'm going to do, it gets really, really bad if your client's been to a therapist before and they go, oh, I know what Jessica's doing. She's about to tell me to walk down some steps. This didn't work last time. It's not going to work this time. What I like to do is catch the client unaware. So I always remember vividly, I'd be doing this type of weird conversation with my lawyers and they look at me and they told me straight out, I don't like hypnosis. I'm not going to go into it, but let's just see what you can do. And I think, okay, whatever. And then all of a sudden, after 10 or 15 minutes, they look at me and think, what the hell's going on? I can't even feel my body, Scott. What? And they're out, gone, because it caught them unaware, but it wasn't me doing anything. It's me asking them to go into your mind and retrieve information that you have been purposely forgetting about or ignoring. And please tell me what that information is. Each time they go into trance and come back out, go back in, they stay in longer because it gets harder to retrieve that information because there's less logic here. In, out, in, out, in, out. There's a point where they go in where there's no out anymore. Who's experienced that before? Okay. So again, yeah, we're doing 3 or 4 things at once. I don't care about depth. I don't care about if you see your inner child and you want to hug them. I don't care if you want to float above your timer. You can do whatever you want. I'm just going to set the parameters to allow you to figure that shit out for yourself, but I'm going to take all the thanks for it. Does that make sense, guys? For now, anyway. Okay. Does that help, Jordan?